Track attendance using Brock's new Event Check-in app, the contactless way to monitor incoming and outgoing attendees at in-person events. Download the free Campus Labs Event Check-in app from your App Store. Grab your access code from your Experience BU event. Open the Event Check-in app and enter your access code into the app. Log into the Event Check-in app with your Brock credentials. Click Start Scanning to check in attendees at your event by scanning their QR event pass. No QR event pass? No problem. Check in students, staff, or faculty by searching their name or Brock email. Check in community members with an external email by selecting Add Guest. Click the bottom right attendee icon anytime to see who's at the event in real time. Easily check attendees out of your event upon exit. Guest or student can't stay? Remove them instead of checking them out, and they will not appear on your final attendance list. After your event, export your attendance from your event on Experience BU. It's that easy. Questions about the app? Email experiencebu@brocku.ca.